Hey, CA Gray. This is Dream Factory News. We're your hosts, Gabriel Torres
and Cammy Serna. Hey, by the way, I made cookies for you. It's an apology because I crashed your car.
You did what?
Cookies. I made cookies for you.
I don't have a car.
Then whose car did I crash?
Not mine.
Uh-oh.
Well, this week we'll be talking about GMAS tip-off, cheating, and test-taking strategies. Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now for a moment of silence.
Let's not forget CA Gray Junior High School's mission. CA Gray Junior High School's mission is to provide community support to all students, to ensure a safe learning environment, and to equip all students with strategies for successful transition beyond the junior high level.
Now to this week's letter.
Today will be a high of 79 and a low of 50. And Wednesday it will be a high of 85 and a low of 55. Thursday it will be a high of 86 and a low of 57. And Friday it will be a high of 86 and a low of 61. It's supposed to rain this Friday morning. Bring your raincoat. Now to this week's expectations. Hey CA Gray, this is Zach with your local and school news. In local news, CCHS Schools USA is hosting a car show on April 29th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It will be held in the CCHS student parking lot. Concessions will be available. The entry fee is a donation to the Humane Society, so if you plan on going, take towels, bleach, Clorox wipes, or dog or cat food. In school news, math testing is over, but this is just the beginning of testing as we still have Georgia milestones and finals coming up. Attention all ninth graders, if you sign up for dual enrollment with the high school counselors at Southern Regional Technical College, they will be here today to register you for those classes. A list has been sent to you teachers and you will wait to be called out of class to register. If you have any questions, please email your counselor. The GMAS tip-off is on Thursday, April 27th at 6 p.m. in the gym. There will be tips for the Georgia milestones and afterwards a student-parent basketball game, which will have concessions. The band concert is this Friday at 6:30 p.m. They will be playing at Withers Auditorium. Make sure you go and show your support to CA Gray's band. The drama department plays next Thursday and Friday at 6 p.m. in the CA Gray cafeteria. CA Gray's drama classes are putting on a performance of Attention, Detention. The play is about 4 honor roll students who get attention and make up crazy excuses. It should be interesting, so go check it out. The choir concert is May 9th. Support the choir at Withers Auditorium at 7 p.m. Georgia Milestones testing begins next week. Make sure you get a good night's rest every day. Since we have so much testing soon, here are some test-taking strategies to help you do your best on the upcoming test.
There are many ways to study for the Georgia Milestones test.
Get plenty of rest so you can come to school with a clear mind and answer the questions correctly.
When you come to school, make sure you eat breakfast so you can be well prepared.
This test is very important, so make sure to take your time and do not rush.
Hey, make sure, guys, that you choose your answers correctly. Take your time, read, and make sure you do your best on the math testing, all right? I expect the best from each and every one of you. Good job.
We have just 4 weeks of school left, so let's give these last days our best.
We'll see you next week, CA Gray. This is the Dream Factory News, signing off.
Alright.
Where's your makeup?
Oh, it's my line. Okay.
Alright.
You done?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm done.
Now I press the button.
Hey, Gray, this is Zach with your local in school.
Hey, by the way, I made you cookie. Wait, I forgot to grab them.
You don't have to blink at me. Good job. Wow.